In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Sticky Notes feature on Microsoft OneNote. This is a simple yet powerful way to capture quick ideas, reminders, and important information while keeping everything organized within your notebooks. Sticky Notes sync automatically across devices, making it easy to access your thoughts anytime, whether you're on your computer, tablet, or mobile device. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer or browser. Once you're inside the application, look for the section that provides access to Sticky Notes. In most versions, this can be found under the Feed or Notes section. This area displays your recent activity and any notes you've already created, helping you stay up to date with your work or personal tasks. Next, create a new Sticky Note by selecting the option to add a note. A small note window will appear where you can start typing right away. This is ideal for jotting down quick reminders, to-do lists, or ideas without creating a full notebook page. It's a fast and convenient way to capture thoughts as they come to you. Once your note is created, you can personalize it to improve visual organization. Sticky Notes allows you to change the color of each note, helping you categorize information by type, priority, or topic. For example, you might use one color for work tasks, another for personal reminders, and a different color for urgent items. If you are using the desktop version, you can also resize the note or move it anywhere on your screen, keeping important information visible while you work. One of the most valuable features of Sticky Notes is automatic syncing. When you're signed in with your Microsoft account, your notes are stored in the cloud and appear across all devices linked to your account. This means you can access your notes not only in OneNote, but also in the Microsoft Sticky Notes app or on your mobile device, making it easy to stay organized on the go. If you need to expand on a note, you can open OneNote and add more details, organizing your ideas into sections and pages for deeper planning or project tracking. And when a note is no longer needed, you can delete it to maintain a clean and uncluttered workspace. Using Sticky Notes within OneNote is a practical way to capture thoughts quickly while keeping everything connected in one place. It enhances productivity, simplifies organization, and ensures that your ideas are always accessible whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.